Everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos, and a big hello. I've been away for a couple of months, far too long. Not been very well, so I've had to take some time out. I'm feeling a lot better now and hopefully on the mend. So have missed you all just so much, and thank you all for your get well wishes and your emails and everything that I've received. So I am back. I have been doing some crafting, and want to show you some new things and some other things that we're going to continue. I know I'm out of breath. I'm just so super excited to be back, and just want to sort of just get everything in on the video. But I will be doing quite a lot of videos hopefully in the next month. New things. I've got some new projects, new ideas, new competitions, so keep watching because I do have some fantastic competitions and giveaways. As you know, I love to give away things, and I will be running some competitions and some giveaways. Probably not this week. Now it'll probably be next week because I'm working on them, but just watch out for them. But we have got lots of exciting things, so I hope you are all well. But as you can see from the few things that I've got out, I've been busy the last week with some new projects, and also I have finished my gorgeous junk journal, travel journal. This isn't the around the world one. That is still going to be in place, but I will do a video about that. So everyone who has took part, I haven't given up on that. I'm still doing it. I just had to really put a standstill to everything, and I will pick it all up. So I know that there are some of you that are waiting for the girls to come and visit, but I will revisit all of that in probably next week. So let me just show you a few things that I've been working on. Now I have done some videos, so there is a video to go up in probably tomorrow on how to make these book page bookmarks just look just gorgeous. So I have made a few of them. There is a video for those, and another craft that I had got into. I know us crafters, we will watch videos and we'll be doing one thing, and then you'll see a pop-up for something else that you haven't tried before. And I have actually done some rock painting before, but I have discovered some lovely techniques. So these are some of the rocks that I have painted, and there is a tutorial on, let me get it, this one here. So I'll be putting that up probably tomorrow as well. Look how gorgeous. And you know what, these are super fast. I mean, look at the pug, he's so cute. And we have another one like that, and a pussycat. But on the other video where you see me making this, you will see some more of my rocks. So that's another project that I have been working on. And let me show you, while I was poorly, I did sort of get on and finish my travel journal because I'm going away in 2 weeks time, and I wanted to take this one with me. So this is the gorgeous travel journal. Now I've still got a couple of bits to go in it, but I've near enough finished it. But look at this card I made. Look, let's go on an adventure, alpaca my bags. How too cute is that? Look at that, so cute. So I was going to put that in here somewhere, but I haven't found a place. So this is my gorgeous junk journal, and I have done so much in it over the past 3 months. Can you believe I've been away for 3 months? It's just ridiculous. Gosh, I mean, I actually didn't do any crafting for about 2.5 of those months. Yeah, that's it. It's bad. That's when you know it's bad, when you can't even get in your craft room. Excuse me. So let me give you a peek into my gorgeous junk journal. Now this was a postcard, and look at that, see the world. And these are the gorgeous dies, and these are just I think this was just a pad, like a a shopping list pad. Project Life cards, just love them, and some washi tape. I did take a couple of bits out as well because they just weren't working. These were stickers from the range. I just put a little envelope in there with some little Project Life cards, you know, because sometimes you just want to write down something and then you can put it in nice and neatly later on. So if I can get those back in there, get in. Okay, and then we have, this was just a little note card, gorgeous note card that I put on there. Another Project Life one there. Some more postcards. I actually got these from Paper Chase, and they were just all about travel, so I thought, yay, Project Life. And I think in here I have some more of the postcards. Keep your adventure alive, and so the adventure begins. I'll pop them back in there. Another postcard. I need a vacay. And then in here there's a postcard and some Project Life cards that I just spruced up with some stickers. And that is my phone. Okay, well, that was Charming saying he's coming out. He's on his way home. So I better hurry up and finish this video. Right, he didn't say that. I'm just saying I better get through this. Okay. Right, okay. So these are Project Life cards that I spruced up with some Happy Planner stickers. Oh, get in there. And then more Project Life cards. Excuse me, just a little pocket there, which I've put some, I think these Project Life cards as well. I just love the Project Life cards. Lots more here. And in here we have another one with one of the stickers on. Lots of places to write things. I just can't wait to get it filled out now. Okay, what's in here? I think there's... what's in here? Okay, another Project Life card. And oh, there she is, look. Another little pocket there. And Project Life cards. Some little sticky notes, look. How cute are they? That's another Project Life. Another one of the postcards. And this is... I've done this envelope, which... there's a pocket there, which you've got a little note card in. Look, so many Gorgusses in there. And then inside, I've just used a piece of a book and made a pocket to put some more note cards in there. Oh, I need to stick that in. It's just a little envelope, which I'm going to put on there. So that needs to be stuck in. And then we have some more. So many places to write things. I just love it. This was just some pockets, envelopes from Paper Chase, which I just love the feeling, the crinkly of that. And then this was a Project Life card. Get in there. And then we have more postcards and the book page pockets. Just a scrap piece of like a shopping list thing. More Project Life in there, and another little Gorgeous in there. In there I think there's a little card, and we've got more little Project Life things there, just a bit we can write on. Oh, and look at this, look, I have to show you this. Oh, if I can get it out, it's got stuck. I made these little they're from book pages, just from book pages. I made a little just a little separate little notebook, and it's so easy. It's just made from old book pages, and then I've just made little pockets here and put little bits on there, and I've just tucked that in the pocket there, so there's an extra little book there. just to give it, you know, just something different in there. Now don't forget, we have got our other gorgeous travel journal, which I will be getting on with, and I'm so sorry for the delays with that, I really am. But we will pick that up, and we will make another journal just like this. Well, it'll be different because it's got all you guys' input as well. And this was a that was just a die and just some scrap paper there, and there we are at the end. So as you can see, I have a wonderful, gorgeous travel journal to take with me on my holidays. So I hope you've enjoyed that. You know, and look out for the next 2 videos I've got coming up, and I will be doing some more tomorrow. I will be picking up with my case card classes as well, because I know that you've missed them all terribly. So we will be doing lots of new things, lots of competitions. I'll be doing some reviews on some products as well, magazine cards for magazines, because I know you like them as well. So lots and lots and lots to look out for. So I'm so happy to be back, and like I said, I've missed you all. I'm sorry if I've waffled on. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all tomorrow. Take care, my lovelies. Bye bye.